Hello everybody, my name is Yuri and today I want to show you another new feature in Acumatica connected to purchase receipts. So let's say we have following situation, we have purchase receipt, but when we have this purchase receipt, you see that this purchase receipt is released, but we need to make correction. How we can do that in Acumatica 25R1? In 25R1 we have two possible options. We have button or menu item correct receipt and cancel receipt. What correct receipt allows us to do? I click on correct receipt and then here I can have receipt quantity, for example 2. Then I can click on save, then I can again release it. So that's pretty cool feature. Let me release it. So that's one way of dealing with mistakes in your receipt. And as you know, we are humans, we always make mistake. Or sorry, not always, but often we make mistake. Another option, which would be, let's say, no, I didn't receive it or whatever. Another menu item is cancel receipt. I click here, I get a warning which says, yes, this is now cancelled. And you can see this purchase receipt get cancelled. Want to mention important detail that if we have enter PO receipt and we will create bill for this receipt, and I click on release and bill will be created here. Yeah, we have bill created. Now, if I would like to click on correct receipt, I will get error message. Receipt cannot be corrected because at least one bill has been created for this receipt. That is more in line with accountancy principles. If we have bill, we cannot. So keep in mind, you will need to go through full schema like return and so on, or making correction receipt. But if you didn't create bill, then you will have those two actions available. Stay tuned for other features in Acumatica 25R1.